But this generation is not fit for marriage.
True, we are not. We are after the ring, the title, because we think that having a ring and being called Mrs. is what makes you a wife. But you have to understand that you are a wife even before you say I do. But how many ladies know that? Most ladies think that being a wife, it means cooking and cleaning and sleeping with the guy. And those are things that are replaceable. Most wives today, they enter into the man's life and already they can be replaced.
Yeah.
Because in your head, you think that your presence and your cooking and your cleaning and your sex is what makes you relevant to this man's life. If you cannot contribute to that man's vision and destiny and assignment coming into pass, listen, you can be replaced by anybody and anyone, any lady, whether they are young or old. Until a man finds a woman that can contribute to his calling, his vision, that's the only time that man can truly, truly appreciate that lady, because that man is able to look at that lady and say, wow, without this lady, I cannot manifest. That's why the Lord said, it's not good for man to be alone. Therefore, I will send him what? A suitable helper. Helping what? Suitable to help what? To cook, to clean. There's no way. Men can do that. You can outsource that. You can rent the service. You can buy washing machines and dishwashers. You don't need a lady for domestic work. But when we talk about a wife, this is a woman that is bringing your lineage to pass. All the things that are trapped in your loins can only be brought by a woman of capacity. That's how you become irreplaceable in a man's life. While you think that it's about sex and cooking and cleaning,